welcome to my home. Today I am in my kitchen decorating the top of my cabinets with all of this stuff that I got from Michael's. So I got them all on a great sale and I decided to put it to some good use. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I make this bare kitchen into something beautiful. So the first piece that I want to show you is my flower dome. So a lot of people call this the Beauty and the Beast flower, but it's just a regular flower in a dome. So what I'm going to be doing is posting a specific video for this flower just in case you all have any questions on it. Now I'm going to be placing this flower dome in the corner of my cabinet, and I got these clips from Walmart. So most of the clips that you'll see in this video are from Walmart. Everything else, Michael's. And it's just a regular bunch of flowers that I bent, and I'm going to arrange it like this at the top of my cabinet, and this at the top of my cabinet. This is also a clip, but all of these are going to go at the top of my cabinet, and at night my flower lights up. It's going to be pretty. So this is going to be my first piece that I put up there. So in the opposite corner I'm going to place this sign, the eat sign, and I'm going to place that in the other corner, and under it I'll go ahead and put the flowers. I also have a sparkly pine cone, sorry, and the acorn. So next is the flower basket, and all of these flowers are going to be placed around the basket at the bottom. And this beautiful group of flowers will actually go inside of the basket. So we'll place that in there and arrange it to our liking. Just want to make it look as full as possible. You don't have to worry about filling all of the flowers in the back because that part will be against the wall, so nobody's really going to see it. So long as the basket looks full, it doesn't actually have to be full. And here we have my little hummingbird, and I'll be placing her. Let's place her on the front flower. And finally we have these last pieces that I'll be placing on the other side of my cabinet. So I love this little sign, it's adorable, and my little candle. Just a little bell, and these are just flowers in a little metal box with another clip in the inside. And here are the completed looks. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.